Doggo. Hey, Doggo. Yeah.
No more
Hug
ears.
for the first time. So cute.
Hi. We're going to Yao Yao.
If it's still open.
If it's still open. Yao Yao. Yao Yao. Magpapila. I got biscuit, kiwi, and granola. How about you? Wait lang, hindi nagpa-focus.
Focus on me.
Okay, anyway, di siya magpa-focus yun.
Okay,
Go.
fine. But it's biscuit, cereals, and kiwi.
Yeah! I think I look stupid, but it's 9:02 and I did something for school and I also edited a video and now I'm gonna take a bath. I'm gonna wash my hair. Yeah. I'm so scared. Hi, there's a oh my god. It's a brown out from 11 to 2. It's 11. Should I light that? I should light my candle. Okay, light. Yes. Ooh. I seriously look like I'm having a cult meeting. I should put it beside my bed. Is that a bad idea? If I burn my hair, then this is the last you'll see of me. I can't see, never mind, can't read. It's back. I woke up early today because to be honest, I did not get to wash my hair last night and take a shower, wash my face, so I'm gonna do that. This never happens. I never wake up this early. I lost a significant amount of hair and I'm not happy about it, as you can tell. I just woke up again because I fell asleep after taking a bath. I think I'm gonna go make brunch. Oh my god, don't you know I'm a savage? Currently 3:03. I don't know if you can hear me, but it's currently 3:03 and I'm gonna go around because I'm waiting for my mom, and then after when she's done we're gonna go grocery shopping. So yeah, there's actually a bookstore here. I wanna go in. Yes. I'm getting this from the car.
Dito sana. May lalo-lalo pa daw siya. Yan po.
Wow, red hair. Gusto ko nga magpa-red hair eh. I'm home. And I'm gonna give you guys a haul of the things that I got a while ago. First, Daiso. First, I got an eyelash curler because mine is lost. This one is a stupid one. Because in my last video, I mentioned about how I wanted a stupid stuffed toy. I got a stupid stuffed toy. It's like a whale. A kiwi whale. So stupid. I love it. I got a flower in a little vase. Next, I got a little jar. Oh, I got a vase. It's so cute. And then I got this flower thing. It came like this. But I bought it individually. It's supposed to be like this. And then a tiny plant. A candle. And then I got a tiny plant. Look how cute. I got a mini radio. A mini radio. And then I got a mini Christmas tree with a mushroom. I got a piano. Look how cute! Oh my god, magkamukha tayo. Nagulit ako. Yay! Ayan na, magkamukha tayo!
What?
I have other books you can smell. Weird. Oh, the skull.
Ilang piraso na ba?
10 pa lang.
Hello, we're decluttering. Because I don't know.
Hi! How do you use it? What's this?
I won't use it.
Hey!
Ito expired na, but it's my beloved.
No, let it go. Say goodbye to it.
This is my first high-end.
This is the purpose of it. Let it go.
In memory of my Born This Way 2-faced sand.
Let it go.
Ito din.
Say
No!
goodbye.
My babies!
Say goodbye. Bye, Fenty.
Ang mahal nito. Kasi tatapon ko lang. Bye. We'll update you. Bye. We're done! Woo! This is for donation / disposal if wala na. Ang dami! Ate, your feet.
Oh my.
No. No free feet. Throwing this.
And this.
I'll show you. Wow. Wow. So clean. Wow. Wow. And then, ito parang walang nangyari. It's okay. And then, lashes. Wow. So clean. Wow. So empty. Wow. Oh. Hello everyone. It's Friday, November 5th. And I just made some lunch. Can you see? It's chop suey vegetables with vegan giniling. Vegan. This is a vegan meal, and we're gonna try it out. It tastes like meat. This is so good. This is so good. I love it. Wow. Coffee. Goodbye. Okay na. Ooh. I'm going to be doing my makeup for no reason. Just bored. Don't mind the hair. I'll be back. and I think I want to take pics because I have flowers. I have flowers. They're pretty cute and I want to take a picture. I did my makeup. I tried doing the Korean, I forgot what it's called, egg yosal. I don't know if that's the right saying or term even, but I did this makeup like a while back. This is the photo, and a lot of people said I should try this more often, so I did. I kind of like it. I kind of like it. Now I'm doing nothing. If you want a makeup tutorial for my everyday makeup look, this is most likely my everyday makeup look. Not sure about this though. This is my everyday makeup look now. I'm saying that because I want it to be my everyday makeup look. If you want an everyday makeup tutorial, let me know. Fit check. I'm now, it's currently 10:22. I think you can hear a lot of background noise, but yeah, I think I'm gonna watch In the Soup in a while. If not, then I'll see you when I see you. She asked me to bring the camera. Here to try the froyo. Samantha, my influencer sister.
Alam mo kung bakit siya?
Hire me! Bakit? Bakit siya? Thank you, Red Mango, for sending Samantha our frozen yogurt. We have a limited edition Red Mango container.
Cute. So cute.
Ice bag.
Lagay ng magic sarap.
And the yogurt.
Damihan mo kaya yan. Gusto ko yan. Watch. Watchy. Watchy. Watch.